guys, I'm Jules. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at a new brand we've just added for this year, Airlift Performance. Today, we took the JRP NISSAN 370Z to Burning Rubber Tire and Speed in Oakville, Ontario to get the Airlift Performance 3P kit installed. In vehicles with coilover suspension, there's a steel coil spring that goes over the shock or strut. In an air suspension system, the coil is upgraded to an enclosed flexible rubber membrane known as an air spring. These air springs can then be inflated and deflated at the touch of a button, allowing you instant control of your vehicle's height. Probably asking yourself, what do I need to build a kit for my car? For basic installation, all you need is a front kit, rear kit, and your choice of air management that comes with hardware, tank, and compressor. You can also customize your install by adding a second compressor or choosing a different size air tank. Airlift gives you the option to choose 3H, 3P, 3S, APV2, or manual air management systems. The 3P kit we have going into our 370Z features mobile control via the Airlift app, 5 custom presets using the provided controller, show mode, rise on start, and a fully integrated manifold with Bluetooth.